Hi, we're going over the top 7 investing platforms to have a Robo Advisor. All right, I'm going to name them off and then we'll talk about each one of them, what their management fees are, what their account minimums, and why they are ranked very good value for the stock investors. Okay, there's Betterment. I put that number 1 because everyone loves it. ETFs, Wealthfront, SoFi, Bloom, TD Ameritrade, Fidelity, Wealthsimple, Charles Schwab, ETrade, and then Acorn. Okay, so why Betterment? Betterment is it's a top player in the industry, and it basically sets the standard for service. So you get your automatic rebalancing, tax loss harvesting, personalized retirement plan as well, and you can buy fractional shares in the funds. So people really like this one. There's a management fee of 0.25% to 0.4% depending on your service level. Okay, so we're gonna do a side-by-side comparison of Betterment, Wealthfront, and Acorns. And Betterment has a 4.9 rating, Wealthfront is 4.5, and Acorns 4.1. So they're really terrific. So Betterment has a minimum investment of $0, and so does Acorns. Wealthfront, the minimum investment you have to put in the account is $500. Betterment has a management fee of 0.25, and Wealthfront, same thing, 0.25%, and Acorns is basically $1, $2, or $3 a month. And let's see, promotion. Right now there's promotions on Betterment. Invest free up to 1 year. So if you are looking for a Robo Advisor, that is amazing. Betterment, which is ranked probably the top, you get to invest free for up to a year. So that's a great opportunity for you. Wealthfront's promotion, invest your first $5,000 free for life? Wow, that's amazing. Check that out. Acorns, sign up and get $5. Woohoo! And you don't have to have any money in there. So just sign up and get $5. Girls, guys, moguls, that's a free $5. Well, management fees for Robo is $1, $2, or $3, but you get a free $5. Betterment has tax loss harvesting, which I really encourage you to check about taxes and to put your money where it gets taxed the least. Wealthfront, same thing, tax harvesting, yes. Acorns does not have tax loss harvesting. Okay, so Betterment and Wealthfront and Acorns all have portfolio rebalancing, so that's really nice. And let's see, assets under management, Betterment has 21 billion, Wealthfront has 10 billion, and Acorns have 1 billion. So Acorns, I know people that use it. I know a family, they have 4 sons and they are using Acorns and they are giving me great reviews over Acorns. And it is touted as one of the best designed apps on a phone. So and it's easy to use. So people, it makes it very easy to use. I guess it's the equivalent of a Robinhood. So very easy to use. And you can use the links below. I have a link for you for Robinhood and Webull. Robinhood and Webull both give you the 1 free stock, and you get a second stock bonus with Webull if you deposit $100. Wealthfront, so let's see. Let me just tell you a little bit more. Okay, so I'll go over some of the ones I haven't gone over for all my people listening, so you can kind of get more details and see which one you like better. So ETFs, it's ranked 5.0 along with Betterment 5.0. So some rankings say 4.9 and some people say 5.0. So the 5-point rankings are Betterment, ETFs, and Wealthfront. They all have 5-point rankings. Commissions, I told you, Betterment is 0.25, ETFs $1 to $9 a month, Wealthfront is 0.25. ETFs has a promotion 1 month free, account minimum $0. SoFi is automatic investing. It's rate 4.5, 0% management fee free, career counseling plus loan discounts, and a 0 account minimum. So if you want free, ranked 4.5 is SoFi. That's SoFi, SoFi automated investing. rate 4.5, 0% management fee. So we love that. Bloom, 3.5. It's $120 a year. You can get $15 off, and there's a codes for that right here. I'm using someone's code from our friends at Nerdwallet. We'll use their codes because I don't have a code for you. So I'll give you Nerdwallet's code, which is COOO. That's 3 O's. DE15. TD Ameritrade 4.0. They have a 0.30% management fee, and there's no promotions this time, and account minimum of $5,000. $5,000. So gotta have some money on that one. Fidelity 4.0 ranking, management fee 0.35%. No promotion, zero account. Zero, you don't have to have any money to start it. Zero account minimum. Wealthsimple is 4.5 ranking. Management fees range from 0.40 to 0.5. And if you put $10,000 amount of assets, you manage for free for 1 year. $10,000 worth amount of assets managed for free for 1 year. That's their promotion. So that's really nice. And zero account minimum. Charles Schwab, we love the Charles Schwab, 4.5, zero management fee, another zero management fee. So no management fees, which we love. There's no promotion right now, but you do have to have $5,000 account minimum in there. You got to deposit $5,000 into the account to be with Charles Schwab. Let's see, did I want to tell you? Oh, there's M1 Finance. M1 Finance, they have no commission management fees, and the starting balance is 100. And on your ETrade, the ETrade is ranked 4.0. A lot of you have ETrade. The management fee is 0.30%. There's no promotions, and you have to put $500 in. But their Robo automatic investment fee is supposed to be only with mutual funds, and they have an ATP, planned automatic investment plan, called ATP. So before you go into ETrade, make sure like that's the Robo Advisor is for their mutual funds, and they have a planned automatic investment plan called ATP. So check that one out. Oh, SigFig, SIGFIG is ranked 4.5. A management fee is 0.25, and the first $10,000 are managed for free. So we love free stuff, and the account minimum you have to put in is $2,000. So let's see. I'll give you another free one since these are my bonuses for all my listeners. I always give you bonuses and give you my love. Axos Invest, AXOS Invest, ranked 4.0 for best value overall, 0% management fee, which we love. No promotion available at this time, and you don't have to put any minimum deposit, so zero. So that's another free management fee, 0%, which we love. So basically, I told you, just going to recap, Betterment is just people really love it. The promotion is up to 1 year free of management with qualifying deposit. So there's always something, you got to read everything. Ellevest, people like that one. You get a 1 month free, so that's nice. Wealthfront, the promotion is $5,000 amount of assets are managed for free, and that is with account minimum $500. And once again, the fees are 0.25. So that's like a robot. Checking out your stocks every day, and I told you Sophie. Well, just repeat because sometimes we're like, which one did she say was free? So Sophie, SOFI, 0% management fee, zero account minimum, and free career counseling plus loan discounts with qualifying deposit. So yeah. And let's see, somebody keeps asking me about 401k management. So check out the Bloom, that's BLOOM. For that, and because 401ks, that's just, it's very a rare service among Robo Advisors, so that's why I didn't list any in there. But check out the Bloom. The fees are $120 per year. I told you there was a promotion code of $15 off. I used that from the friendly Nerdwallet. Check out Nerdwallet; they're really great. That's account minimum 0, and the $15 off code that we're using, courtesy of my favorite website, Nerdwallet. I love them. Is COOODE15. So okay, so I hope that helps you out a little bit to tell you why that people use Robo. What does a Robo Advisor do? So they are, these days you have advanced software, and it will it's good fit if you don't want to be looking at your stocks every day and spending the 2 to 4 hours every day and researching. So because it doesn't have a live person, it's called a robot advisor. And basically you choose the Robo Advisor, like, do you want management fees, what you pay annually, expense ratios, and the type of accounts you want. Do you want IRA, 401, tax advantage accounts, or a taxable account? And Robo Advisors, they use the low cost index funds and ETFs, which is really great for beginners. And most people suggest using ETFs or low cost index funds because they're baskets of funds. And say if you want, I really wish I could have Amazon and Tesla and Microsoft, the FANG stocks, and Facebook, but they're so expensive. So if you got, like, say one of each stock, you spend $10,000, but you can get low cost index funds and ETFs, like each of them are approximately around 200 plus or minus. So you can pick a stock that has the FANG stocks, technology, or health, or food, or oil, or technology, or it goes on and on and on. There's so many of them. You can pick whichever ones you like, and you can pick ETFs that have the S&P 500. You can pick Europeans. It just goes on and on. So they're computer operated, and you can even set all kind of things, your stop losses, when to buy and sell. You give them the information. They'll ask you all kind of questions, so you can tell them what kind of stocks you like. So it's really, really nice. It's really popular now, and it's really mainstream right now. And so it's a low cost financial advice, and just, you don't have to be stressed out with your stocks, and you can just be hands off and go to work, especially if you're working and you don't have the 2 to 4 hours a day to watch your stocks, research the information. It might be nice for you to just go, okay, my Robo Advisor is watching my stocks. I don't have to worry. They know my stop loss on each of my stocks. They know what area that my Robo Advisor knows, whether I want to be in oil or tech or health or food or consumer or blue chips or dividends or ETFs, low cost index. It just knows everything. But so that is why people are doing Robo cops, because before people would pay a broker, and let's see, what else can I tell you before I sign off? Let's see. Oh, basically they do, I probably steered you a little bit wrong. They do ETFs and index funds. So you basically, you want to also look at what which ones they have. Like Betterment has U.S. total stock markets, large cap value stocks, mid cap value stocks, U.S. small cap value stocks, international developed stocks, emerging market stocks, short-term treasuries, short-term investment grade bonds, inflation protection bonds, U.S. municipal bonds, U.S. high quality bonds, U.S. high yield corporate bonds, international development bonds, international emerging market bonds. So before you get a Robo Advisor, make sure that they have the most ETFs and index funds for you, so that they can get those for you. Like Wealthfront, has superior reputation, and their Wealthfront's chief investment officer, right, currently at this time is Burton Malkiel, and he was the director of Vanguard for 28 years. So he's very, very good, and I'm very impressed with Wealthfront. And they have 18 ETFs and 9 asset classes. So they have the U.S. total stock market, international developed stocks, emerging market stocks, real estate, natural resources, U.S. government bonds, inflation protection bonds, U.S. municipal bonds, dividend stocks. So some people want dividend stocks, so they do have it. And so basically, people, just depends on the advanced features that you want and the access that you have. So just always